It's snowing, you guys. It's snowing. Maro, is it snowing? Just stay for a second. Just stay. Look. It's like really snowing. This is so fun. We have a sled under the house that we've had since we moved here. We've never used it. Today will be the day. This is great. What do you think?
It's amazing. Why is it snowing?
I don't know. Mara, are you waiting? I'm waiting for Lily.
Far away. Oh, it's so cute. She's so confused right now. Oh, Mara. Good night.
Oh, Mara's first snow.
Not pretty heavy.
Thick chunks.
Big chunks.
Catch one on your tongue.
Poor Moonlight doesn't know what the hell to do.
You go
Look
outside.
at Melody, she's covered in snowflakes.
Mara, what happened to that? You want to go outside again, Mara? You want to go outside with that?
Pickled, what do you think? What do you think? What you doing?
Mara took my glove. My hand is freezing.
It is so cold. Oh my goodness. I need to go get my coat. It's in the car. Oh, Mara, it's so cold. I need to go up in the attic and get you that coat. Oh, I forgot to get my hat. Get my hat. Oh. Come on, Mara.
Mara likes eating snow. I made snowballs, and she ate them like they were those little rice ball things. It was so cute though. But every time I threw one to make her think that it was a ball, she would just watch it disappear to the ground, and she would be so confused.
Oh gosh. Oh. You know, everything looks so fresh and clean when it's snowy like this.
3 inches or 2, I don't know.
And it's still coming. It's still coming down. Oh my goodness, the chickens aren't even out today. They're just... We'll go check on them. Hey, turkeys. Try to keep the snow off of you. Ooh, it's so dark in here. Look at this. I had a turkey come through the other day. It came all the way through the greenhouse. This ceiling is falling apart. We're gonna need to redo it. Uh-oh, I thought I brought my scooper back in here. I'm gonna have to go. Oh, my fingers are frozen. Let's go get the goats. Oh. I've been covering with my car tarp because it's been so cold and windy. Hey, come check out your first snow. What is this? Let's go get you more hay and grain. You guys are so messy. Watch out. Where's your little container? Oh, you guys put it all back there? Oh my goodness. You all really put it all back there. Let me go get you some more Bermuda hay so you can make a more mess. I swear goats are so messy. So messy. Wanting to come out today. Must have left it up here last night. Whew, it is really just coming down. Oh, the plants are covered. Oh, we'll come out later. We'll take a look. Mara is still running around. She is running amok. It's actually nice in the greenhouse. I need to see if I have some better gloves somewhere because my fingers are red and cold. Hey, this is the best day ever. The best day. Huh. You guys, this is crazy. Are you warm enough?
Sorry, what? I can't hear you.
Are you warm enough?
What?
Are you warm enough?
What?
Okay.
She's not even reacting. I don't think she feels it.
I think it's mainly hitting her cloak. Slippery, huh? Mm-hmm. This petticoat is so warm. I got this petticoat. Got one for Lily too. It's cotton. So cute. It keeps my legs so warm. It's crazy. I'm not even wearing socks. But I feel warm. You could actually make a snowman. A very leafy snowman. Uh-oh.
Slipped. Oh.
I don't know how to work with snow.
Oh, thank you.
The snow is so deep. Look at that.
Y'all are getting a little wet. Oh, friend. Your hair's getting all wet.
I know. That just goes over my eyes.
I know, it doesn't work very well, does it?
Oh my
Laura.
God.
How can she do that?
Just like nothing.
Freezing. Whoa. What you doing? Rolling another big ball?
It's so big.
Well, this is gonna be a very leafy snowman.
Yeah.
Should we give it boobs and make it a girl?
Oh no!
Too big? Yeah.
It was too big.
What can we use as eyes?
No. We don't have any rocks. dry more.
Where's its face? Can we use bolts? Gotta have little bolt eyes. Should we do... Oh, hey, that's my stick. Hey, no. Hey, no. Go get your own stick. My stick. Should we give it a smile? Might be able to find a stick that's kind of curved. Let me see. No, it's not quite. I don't know. Looks a little scary. It's a scary snowman. My big toe's cold. I know, I think it's gonna be time to go and dry off a little bit and come back later, because we need to let our poots dry out a little.
Our poots?
Our poots! Our poots need to dry out. But it's beautiful. They look great. Little cat and scary snowman. Let's go, Morrow. Good girl. Let's go dry off. We should put our boots by the stove, let them dry off, and then re-oil them.
Yeah, I forgot to do that last night. They told me to do it.
I know. I forgot to do mine too. I needed to put some more beeswax on my boots. Whew. Help you with what?
I can't lift this up.
Is it that heavy?
Yeah.
Milo's gonna have a snowman.
Woo.
I tried shaving away the sides to make it lighter, but it's still really heavy. Okay.
Wait.
Ready?
Oh goodness, that is heavy. Okay.
Oh, it's freaking. Oh my gosh, you guys are actually doing it. I hope it doesn't fall on me. Hey! There we go.
Teamwork.
It's kind of falling. Add some stability here.
Add some stability. Whew, that snow's becoming muddy. I thought we'd go out to the garden for a little bit before everything melts. Ooh, that's slushy. Ooh. We will not walk in that. You guys, look at all the little chicken feet prints. How cute. Their little feet sound cute walking in the snow. Y'all are just staying inside today. Hey. You don't even want to try to come out? Is that snow too scary? You don't want to check out the snow? Come on. Come on. It's okay. Y'all are missing out. I think you'd have a good time out here. Come on, Pippi. Come on, Pippi. You know you want to. You know you want to. Come on. I realized I have another Tom from one of the turkeys that hatched last year. It's right there. So I've got Tom Selleck, and I need to figure out what to name this other Tom. If y'all have any suggestions, just let me know. We've already had a Tom Hanks, a Tom Cruise, a Tom Riddle. Oh, you came out. What do you think? Hey. Annie, you're still not sure? Come on, Pippi. Poor Annie's all alone. All alone. Okay, y'all be good.
That's actually really creepy. Ew, that's not me.
Yes, it is.
That's like,
Melly, what happened to the head?
what?
Yours is lacking a head.
That is the head.
Oh, I see. It's a small one.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the pipe.
Louise is creepy. You have to see the head.
Let me see.
Look.
Wow, that is a little scary, Lily.
I would have done that, but I'm terrible at making
Evil
those
eyebrows?
faces.
Wow.
I'm trying to make something cute for once, and it's not working. No.
Using little pebbles.
Yeah. Don't they use coal or something?
Yeah.
God damn it. Do we have any coal? Wow.
No.
Yeah.
Charcoal, maybe.
Look, the child is smoking. I'm trying to jam his nose in there.
Smoking. That's great, Mel.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna add some teeth.
No,
Some
her
teeth?
nose.
Mara, what do you think? You are soaking wet.
Ah, her nose is falling. No! I'll fix that later. Oh, jamming this carrot in her head.
Your gloves are filthy.
It's working.
No! I didn't do it! Mara, move! Wait, Mara! I didn't want to hit her. I'm sure she would have moved, but still.
Oh, shit, that's scary.